Hey, it's Scrappy here, making another video. So we're playing Lego Worlds. Really cool game. I thought not do it earlier, but when I was doing it, there were none games left of it. So we're gonna go and load game. And I've been playing this for a while. My cameras, I couldn't find it anywhere. It was at my mom's. I eventually found it. So we're gonna keep going. Load game. I did get wet for it. I just couldn't stop. I just got done the starters. I thought you would have done it, but no, I just went ahead myself. So we're gonna load up the game. What? Oh, I'm clicking the wrong button. I'm sorry, everybody. I get mixed up with the game. Game control sometimes. Right, I have 277. We'll be playing online with my cousin. We will eventually be doing that. He's probably gonna be doing it as well. So it's probably gonna be a short video just showing I did get Nintendo. I will be doing Zelda. I will be doing an Ninjago movie. I will be doing all those awesome things. I did get the monster pack as well with the game. It let me. So thank you very much. So let's get into this. So I can't wait to do the monster pack. I've not done a monster pack without you guys because I know you want to see it. So you know. So is it loading? Right, we're going in. Oh my god. Thank you so much for these subscribers. It's amazing. Thank you so much, subscribers. Just 9 subs. That's good for a start. You know, beginner. I'm a beginner, so thank you, everybody. Let's do this. Come on. I'm waiting. I got the wings as well. You usually start without the wings. No, I eventually got like 30. So you get them at. These for 5. I'm not sure. I forgot. Sorry. I got the grapple hook. I got the sky spinner and the camera. What? Oh my god. This is amazing. Right. Let's do random. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, let's make it okay. So let's go for like this, I guess. Oh, you can't see that over there. Okay, I thought that. Okay. So head. Let's go for zombie, but I don't know how he's looking. Let's go for this. Let's go for like this. Let's just do that. It was quite cool, everybody. Look at me, look at me, look at me. By the way, my L1 is not working, so we might not be doing much building in this game. And that's why you'd be seeing me doing this, going up and going left, because my L button there doesn't work. Look, I'm pressing right now, not working. It's probably gonna be like an 8-minute video or something. I'm not sure. It's gonna be a short one. Oh, let's get our discovery tool out. Discover these, man. That. We got that. Yeah. Discover that. Discover that. Discover that. That. This tree here. That, I guess. And this tree here. It's a short video, sorry use. It's because I've got so much to do. This. I wanted to see what that car was. So we got hardly any money. We got a sword for everybody, so. Good. Was that the ghost car? I don't care, let's get it used. Oh, this was worth the money. Oh god, this was well worth it. This was worth it in a million years. This. I will be using these in a lot of videos. Oh, they're fast. You can't go in first person. Let's go in first person. Yeah. Wow, it's cool. What's this? Load. Let's go into it. Oh, it's nice. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Wow. Wait, does this take you back down? This house is worthless. I'm not liking this. I thought I was liking it. I really did. But am I doing something? No. I thought I was doing something. Oh, he's looking out the window. Oh no, it's open and stupid. Oh my. Right, this house was it. No, I just came in this room. It's a nice house. Let's get out of here. Yeah, it's got more. Oh, that's why. It wasn't. That is a nice house. Is this the door? Whoa, free. Oh, I have the ghost, by the way. I have the witch. Oh, this probably just give you a short video, like showing that I actually have it. So if you think, like, see, everyone upload a video on this like just short one to show you that I am, and we will be doing. What? I don't know. Oh, slime thing. Oh, it's for the little thing. That's really good. It's a nice house. I'm liking this a lot. Let me show you some discoveries I have. So I have these cars. I got the record. I don't know when I got that. I forgot. I got most of the brick builds I have. I don't have much animals actually. Hardly have any. There's thousands to get. A lot of them, but you have to do missions or give them something that I don't have. Let's buy the record. Let's buy some things. Let's buy. Seriously? Oh, it's 100,000. Wow. Oh, it's 10,000. I can't look at the credit card. Let's get it. Oh, well, let's just grab. Wow, I did not mean that. So let's just. Whoa. Oh, did I get that? I did. Oh, we need 2,000 more. I meant to do it for 10 minutes. I'll be back, use. Sorry about this. Oh, wait. First, I need to get this guy. Come on, get away. Get him. Wow, Scrappy's done out. I'll be back, use. Sorry about this. Be back. I'm almost at 10 minutes. I'm back, everybody. I need 12,000. 12,000. If we had 10 or 15, no. 15 subs, I'll go to, I will literally go to a BMX track. I will go to a BMX track. So, like, I'll do tricks there. show you all the Scrappy Dudes issues. This channel used to be called Scrappy Dudes. Now it's called Scrappy 2007 because like I don't know, just because every time I want to have a video on something, my friends might not be here. I'm really sorry, but I have another channel if you want to check it out, and it has all of us. It's called the BMX Master. No, I think Scrappy Dudes. Is it? Yeah, Scrappy Dudes. I'm sorry. I do have a channel called Scrappy Dudes. You should definitely go and check it out. And this used to actually be called BMX Trickster Friends. But if you want to check out Scrappy Dudes, it's all me and my friends on our BMXs. It's really cool. Just definitely check it out. Subscribe and like it. There's some videos. Please, that would be amazing. And yeah, and keep watching. If you keep watching Scrappy 2007, that'd be amazing. Be amazing. Thank you so much, everybody, for the likes. I'm just so happy to do this. Wait, what? No, no. Is it because someone was riding it? That's never happened. Oh yeah, this is discover. Look at these. So you thank you for watching. Remember, smash that. Damn, I wrecked it. Remember, smash that like button and subscribe. Peace out. Scrappy.